Welcome to Taylor Kitchen. I am going to show you one of the easiest ways to roast a turkey. Actually, I do a turkey breast because my family does ham and turkey at Thanksgiving. And so I just buy a large turkey breast, and I'm going to start by melting some butter and some white wine in the microwave. My butter is already room temp, and so I have about a half a cup left of this white wine. You can use any white wine you want. And just melt this in the microwave for, I don't know, maybe 30 seconds. Now while that's melting, I'm just going to take some salt on the skin of this. And actually, let me back up a little bit because I put this uncovered in the fridge overnight so that this skin would be super dry. It's going to give me a beautiful crispy skin while the meat is going to be nice and juicy with this method. You're going to love this. It's foolproof. And so pepper goes on next. And then I have some chopped rosemary. Now you can use kind of any poultry type herbs that you like. Actually, between the skin and the flesh, I used a wooden spoon, pushed underneath there and slathered that with sage and butter. Like I had some ground sage and I had some butter. And I'm going to do a pretty heavy dose of the rosemary, because that's going to give it tons of flavor. And then watch this trick. You're going to love this. So there's the butter and the wine. And this is cheesecloth. If you've never seen cheesecloth, you can buy it at pretty much any grocery store. And I'm going to wad this up, and I'm just going to soak it in here into this butter and wine and really get it saturated. All the butter, all the wine. Oh my word. Okay. Oh, that's good. And then you just place the cheesecloth over the turkey breast. Or you can do this over your whole turkey if you're going to do that. Wow. Very nice. And that's going to protect the skin. It's still going to brown, but it's going to protect it from burning. I'm just going to pour the rest over there because all these pan juices that are going to come out of this are going to make a phenomenal gravy for my turkey. All right, and this is a 5-ish pound turkey breast, and I'm going to put it into my 325 oven for maybe 2 hours. I want it to reach an internal temperature of 165. Pay no attention to those sweet potatoes behind me. Those have been roasted for my chipotle mashed sweet potatoes. So fabulous. You got to check out the recipe. I'll link it below. If you haven't yet, please take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications to our YouTube channel. Click that bell icon below to make sure you get all the latest from us. And leave a comment and give us a thumbs up. It really helps out our channel, and we so appreciate you. So the turkey is out of the oven, all shrouded in that cheesecloth that was soaked with butter and wine. And peel it off. It has done the trick. You can see the top is golden, and wow, this is looking phenomenally good. And I'm going to transfer it to a cutting board. I'm going to tent it. You need to let it set for about 10 minutes at least before you slice it. And I'm going to make a simple pan sauce, kind of a gravy-ish thing with the juices that are in this. It's going to be so good. I will cover my turkey. All right, we're just going to let that set for a little bit before I slice into it.